Hello. I hope everyone has had an awesome Wednesday. I got off for work and I've had this canvas ready. I did it two-toned. I prepped it for and pour on Sunday. It was dry it took about 9 hours. I'm going to do this. I wasn't going to, but I'm going to let you know. This is a 12 by 12 and if you find a box, this one's from Amazon. I think it's a number 28. I thought I saw it somewhere, a number 28. It fits in my 12 by 12. And what this will do is prevent it from sagging the canvas, because when I was at Dick Blick's, they kind of suggested to do them on hardwood. And I was like, hey, I got a whole bunch of hardwood at home. So, yeah. So that's what I did. I did just the standard, let's see if I'm not clumsy today. I did the standard pillow paint. It's a lot, I know, but I'm going to be using it again and for other projects. It's just temporarily in those until I'm done with this pour. This green and this blue are pearls, or let me do this correctly. This is Bobby Blue Pearl, and it says transparent, so I don't know how that's going to happen. This one, sorry, it's metallic, and it's just called Festive Green, and those are my bling bling colors. I have this, which is more of a matte. It's called Dark Brown or Cafe Obscuro, and it doesn't really say what if it's flat, matte, whatever, but when I've painted with it before, it tends to be a little matte. This one I've added my first try, this silicone oil. This was $10, Dick Blick's. It's probably gonna last me a long time because you're only doing like 2-3 drops at a time. I didn't want to go digging through the hair dye or hair thing and find the correct one that way. This one is opaque yellow, and it's also called Armarillo Opaco. So this one is a flat or paint too, but it's opaque, and this one also has the silicone in it. So these are some people put the silicone in all the colors, some put them in just just one color, it's all good. Whatever you want to do. And I have no clue how it's going to turn out, because this is my first official canvas that I'm pouring on. Let me see if I can get a better angle. Because you probably want to see what's going on here more than you want to see what's going on there. And let me see if I can. Why is the light just went like dark? This is weird. Huh. Why is my camera focusing weird? Ugh, I don't want to mush and move and cause trauma here. Ugh, don't tell me I gotta start getting more lights. Oh no. Let's see. Let's try to slide it this way. It seemed like it was picking up more light there. Oh my gosh, bummer. I apologize. It looks like I am going to have a semi-dark video. Ooh. There's open paint, Andrew, and you're just shoving this closer. That's weird. My camera's going dark light, dark lights. I've never seen my camera do this before. Well, okay, let me just keep going. You know, the battery was fine, so I'm gonna try to do an ocean, like a beachy feel to it. And these are the tops, because I complained that these cups were so tall. Instead of cookie cutters, buy them. So this is what we're doing. We are going to kind of intermix like a top and bottom. The green and brown are going to be like the earthy tones for the gray bottom part. And then we got that blue is going on fire there. I'm so excited. I have no clue what's going to happen here. No clue. Now that I think of this, these two colors might turn green on me. I don't know. That I do not know. So let's do that. Let's get some of the base color in there. Some of the pillow color. And the reason why I finished the canvas, ooh, see, it's coming out of the bottom. That's what I kind of wanted. It's finally coming out. Finally coming out. I definitely, ooh, have a lot of paint. I don't know if I want them to slide yet. Oh, this is gonna be fun, fun, fun. I have no clue. Ooh, he's sliding. I'm not prepared for this. Oh, I can see cells going to town already. Oh, this is fun, 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 fun. Wow. I think that's enough paint, actually. I'm still learning. I hear you use this amount of ounces and you do that, and then you pillow this and you do that, and I'm like, okay, I trust you somewhat. Make sure this is off. When I bought it, it was turned on, blasting at me. Okay. Let's see. Let's move all the wet paint thingies out of the way because I have no clue what's gonna happen with my clumsiness. If anything, clumsiness is something you have to take as fun. Ooh, look at that. Okay. I feel like a kid again. I feel like a kid. Look at that big bubble. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. There's bubbles coming. I let it heat up a second. There looks like a big clump of something. Huh. Let's get it. See if I can get. Yeah, there's a clump of something. There we go. That came out. Is that a bubble or a clump? Is that a bubble or a clump? That looks like a clump. Some individuals will filter their paints and their medium. Let's go kind of this way from what I'm understanding. Okay, I might have to eventually put some paint on the corners on this. This is pretty cool. I think I might have found a hobby. Nice thing about the box too, if I get long cuffed gloves, and I'm doing this all wrong because I was supposed to bring it into the center, but there's nothing wrong in this world. If I do long cuffed gloves, I could be like a little bit cleaner maybe on myself, because you know what? I just took a shower a little bit later today. And I was like, you know what? Why'd you do that? Because you're going to be painting. Why? Oh my gosh. I might be moving too slow. This paint is kind of rolling and folding. Oh, I love it. I love it. Ooh, I'm getting my hands going on this. See? Oh my gosh, I'm liking this. Ah. It's kind of like a, ooh, I like it already. So I'm gonna just keep in the theme and do gray down here and white up there. I probably should have put gloves on. I mentioned them once or twice in my head. Ooh, I don't want to drip this in my paint. So let's move my paint out of the way. Oh my gosh, this looks so... I might Well, that's funny because I added the silicone to the brown and the yellow, and I'm not seeing as many bubbles in those two. Or not bubbles, cells in those two. So, oh, this is amazing. I think I found a new passion on top of all my other, like I sew, I knit, I cook. I just love creating. It's fun. I'm gonna get my wrist. My wrist is toast. This is when it becomes fun. When art becomes true passion is when you don't mind getting messy with the process. Maybe I won't get my clothes. Ooh, nice. Nice, nice, nice. Ooh. Oh my goodness, I am liking this. I'm gonna have to get like a plastic cloth for the floor. I'm gonna have to protect my counter better. This is going to be a fun process. So you know what? I'm not disliking the gray and the white because that is in the base. That needs a little more color there. How can I do this? There we go. Join the art world. Have some fun. So this one, I think we have so much brown. Let's just be brave and try to brown, and we're gonna do some green too. Oh my gosh, I'm dripping on my counter and I do not like that. I'm gonna have to unstress yourself. Unstress. Maybe we'll put just a tad. It might roll off though when I'm done with it. Just a tad. Break that up a little bit. I'm just surprised. I was thinking I was gonna get a whole bunch of cells. It might be just a technique or how thin and how thick you make your paints, and I don't know that yet. Look at this probably needs just a tad bit blue. Get some yellow in there. Do some gentle heat gun. Put it on low this time. I don't really see any bubbles. And I did get this broken in because I put paint. I got pink on it from my very first wood art one that I did. I don't know how we can. I want to be a little more creative. Okay. That might have not been the exact process that I wanted to do, but oh my gosh, this is fun. Oh, okay. So this blue and yellow in this additional, it is kind of turning kind of green. You know what? I think I just need to stay calm. There was this one guy, I think, I want to say he goes by JMO. I'll put his link down below because I know how to find him. I like watching him. He makes a lot of videos. I think he's up in Michigan. He was in North Carolina at one time. And he has a lot of techniques that I kind of watched and went, oh, that might be good. Oh, and you might like him too. Where's my clean toothpicks? Until I touch the box. Yes, no, these are not for the mouth. I have separate ones in a cute container up there. So JMO does this. He puts just a tad bit of silicone oil, or silicone. I still want to say silicone once in a while. I don't like that I do that when I try to sound all that in a whatchamacallit. Let's see. This is what he does. I'm not seeing anything. Let's see if we can get like one or two more. I just want them to come out and say hello. All right. I can see some pocking. I guess you could say pocking from the paint mixed silicone. And there's really no wrong way. There's really no wrong way. And these are not, wow. I mean, I got some cells, but I like it. I like it. It's getting there. And it's just me learning how to accent my paints. I'm gonna do it one more time. I've heard rumors that it causes crazing and stuff, so you gotta be careful. I guess we'll find out. I thought I had my straw still to blow. Huh. Where'd I put my straws to blow? Oh wow, I can't even blow that. I don't have lungs to blow. Blow, blow, blow. I don't want to blow it that way. So let's not tip this over and have it fall on me. Let's do something like this. There we go. Get that up. Oh yeah, I like that marbling. From blowing wood to blowing canvas. Ooh. 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 There we go. A nice little fun abstract. Kind of like a earthy meets sky with sun and just a nice light bit of fun. We got some cells in there, not too many. I kind of wanted more. Maybe I need to mix more silicone with it. Maybe there's more mixed than what I understand, because some individuals, I see them put like 2 drops and they say, oh, I put 2 drops, I put 1 drop, I put so I don't know. I'm gonna have to just keep doing this till I get it right. Get it. I shouldn't say right. Get it different. That's all. I can't wait. And this will be once it dries. I'm got it cured, and I will show you when it's done. It will be on my Poshmark closet for sale. All right, everyone, have a great night. Thank you for joining me. Oh, you know what? Let me see if I can do this. As I have paint down below too. I can't move my feet the way I want. Okay, my camera is toast. It is full of paint properly. I don't know. Let's see. Does this help? I don't know. I'll edit it if it doesn't look like all that in a bag of chips. Maybe. I'm trying. Let's see. There we go. There we go. That's it. You guys have a wonderful night. Thank you for this adventure with me. I like adventures.